guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neelam Punjabi, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Baguette bag haul. Now if you don't know what Baguette bags are, Baguette means small and compact, and so all of these bags are super small and compact, but at the same time they are super trendy. I think the trend first started in this 90s show called Sex and the City, if I'm not wrong. It of course faded away in the middle, and now it's back again, and I'm super excited. And also all of these bags are super affordable except for one bag. All of them are under 1,000 rupees, and of course I'm going to mention prices of each of these bags and the Instagram stores I've purchased these from in the description box down below. So yeah, I think without wasting any time, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so the first bag that I have for you guys is this beautiful white shoulder bag. Now all of these are shoulder bags in case you did not guess it by now. It's such a classic piece. I think white and gold, this little gold detailing, like I think white and gold is like my favorite combination. It's super classic, and plus the quality of this bag is superior. Like it's very good. I just recently received the bag, and I must say I'm really happy with it. And you know, it has a zip inside and it's quite spacious. It even has a small pocket zip on the inside, and I just really love this bag. You can pair this with so many different outfits, and you know, the length of this strap is pretty appropriate. It fits my shoulders really well, and I can pair this with pretty much all my outfits because you can never go wrong with a super classic white bag. Alright, the second bag that I have is from the same Instagram store I bought the white bag from. I think it's called Cool Fairy Store. It's a really beautiful Instagram store. I think you should definitely check them out. And this is what the bag looks like. It's a very simple tan bag, and मुझे ना इसका shape बहुत अच्छा लगा actually. And I also really love the straps. ये adjustable straps में आता है. So अगर आपको इसको लंबा करना है तो आप इसको ऐसे लंबा भी कर सकते हैं. You know, if you want to shorten the strap, you can do that as well. And the quality of this bag is again really nice. Yes, यहाँ पे ऐसे stitch button दिया हुआ है आगे, and when you open it inside, it has two separate pockets, which is also a nice thing. Also the quality of this bag is really decent, and you know, ये काफ़ी टिकेगी भी. And yeah, all in all, I really love the bag. And plus tan is my most favorite color. और अगर मेरा बस चले तो मैं अपनी सारी accessories top to bottom सब tan color में पहनूँ, because I really love this color. And यहाँ पे ना इसके ऐसे gold accents भी दिए हुए हैं, which also adds a little something to the bag. I don't think they have this bag anymore on their store, because when I had ordered, I think this was the last piece they had. I was the lucky one, I guess. But of course you can check out the store. उनके पास और भी काफ़ी सारे styles हैं. Alright, this is the next bag right here. It's such a pretty color. I got the bag because of the color, and ये इसका strap है, and यहाँ पे ऐसे chain detailing दी गई है. It's really nice. This is actually my first bag that I bought, like the first Baguette bag. इसी के बाद मुझे क्रेज़ चढ़ा and मैंने ये बाकी सारी bags खरीदी हैं. I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen me wear this bag. And yeah, it's such a beautiful color. It's my most favorite color actually. And you can pair this with all your black outfits, with all your white outfits, all your nude outfits, and you know, it's just gonna add like a nice pop of color to your plain outfits, and it's gonna make a statement. I just want to mention one thing, that the quality of this bag is not as good as the rest of the bags that I'm going to show you. This one is slightly flimsy, so you cannot really carry too many things inside the bag because it might, like, you know, tear apart. But other than that, I think it's really nice, and it serves the purpose. And yeah, I really like it. ऐसा कभी हुआ ही नहीं है कि अगर मैं कुछ शॉप कर रही हूँ और मैंने वो चीज़ ब्लैक में ना खरीदी हो. So the next one is a black Baguette bag. Now I think I got this one with a friend of mine. Like a friend of mine also got this bag with me, and she liked it as well. It's such a cute classic bag, and यहाँ ऐसे strap पे gold detailing दी गई है. And I'll tell you what, this bag is quite spacious when you open it. like इसका quality वगैरह zip का बहुत अच्छा है, and when you open it it's quite spacious. मेरा सामान पड़ा है अंदर. It also has 2 pockets inside, like a zipper pocket and just like a cloth pocket on the other side, and it also has one more pocket at the back. So if you are someone who likes multiple pockets in their bags, I think you will definitely love this. This is what the next bag looks like. It's a beautiful olive green color, super trendy, and I love the entire gold detailing. Like it has a gold strap, it has a huge gold buckle over here, and this is how the bag opens up. Now I wouldn't say that I'm really happy with this bag, honestly, because first of all I expected the strap of this bag to be slightly longer, because that's how it looked like on the store, on the Instagram page that I bought this bag from. And also because it's like a box bag, like, you know, it's very stiff, it's not quite spacious. You know, it might look really big on the outside, but actually it's not really spacious, and you cannot hold a lot of things. And plus the fact that the strap is like ये chain वाला strap है and कपड़े वाला strap नहीं है. First of all, it doesn't fit my shoulders that well because it's slightly shorter, and secondly, even if it fits, it keeps sliding off. I think that's the case with any chain strap. एंड उसके साथ ये लोग ने एक दूसरी चेन भी दी है, बट आई थिंक इट्स प्रीटी मच यूजलेस बिकॉज यू कैनॉट रियली डिटैच दिस चेन, you know. So if you want to use this bag as a shoulder bag, then I don't think it's going to be the right purchase for you. But if you just want to use this as a handbag, just carry it in your hands, then I think you can go for it. They also had multiple color options in this. They had a black, white, yellow, this and another color I don't remember, but all in all I am not quite happy with this particular purchase. Alright, moving on, the next bag that I have is this one. It's a very beautiful nude bag, and I love the color of this bag, and you know, this beautiful design at the front. यहाँ पे ऐसे sunflowers दिए हुए हैं, and ये जो golden buckle है, this also adds so much to the bag. And you know, this one is also quite spacious. It might look very tiny, but honestly you can, like, this bag can hold a lot of stuff in it. Again, यहाँ पे ऐसे zip है, and once you open, inside there's a small pocket given on one side. There's no zipper pocket over here, but yeah, all in all, like, you can tell it's quite spacious and it can hold a lot of things. I feel like इसका जो shape है ना, ये काफ़ी like 90s vibe देता है, and plus, you know, it's very different, like this whole mesh thing at the front, so beautiful and super unique, and I really love it. Alright, the next bag that I'm going to show you guys is something I absolutely regret buying. It's the worst purchase out of all the bags I've bought. This is what the bag looks like. First of all, this, like, everything about this bag is so super cheap, and I just hate the quality of this bag. Secondly, आप इस बैग का शेप देखो, ये कितना टेढ़ा दिख रहा है, लाइक यहाँ नीचे से इतना पतला एंड ऊपर से इतना ब्रॉड. इट्स जस्ट लुकिंग वेरी टेढ़ा, एंड इसका क्वालिटी इतना चीप है. लाइक इस बैग के अंदर देयर इज नॉट इवन लाइक अ लाइनिंग given, like there are no pockets, there is no lining inside. It's just this thick material and that's it. You know, I just do not like the quality of this bag, and I don't think I'm gonna recommend this particular Instagram store that I got this bag from. I think I even reached out to them saying that you know, I do not like the quality of the bag. It looked so different in the pictures, and what you're sending me is so different, and I would like to return the order because I'm not gonna use it. You know, it's so flimsy and it's not gonna hold anything. इसका जो strap है, like, look at it, it's so cheap, you know, and it gives a very cheap vibe, and I don't like it. But of course, they did not reply to me at all. I tried to reach out to them constantly, but there were no replies. Alright, we're down to the last bag. I've saved the best for the last, and this is what the bag looks like. Isn't it super cute? I fell in love with this bag as soon as I saw it. This was slightly more expensive than the rest of them. This was, I think, for 1200 rupees if I'm not wrong, and I had to even pay extra for the shipping. I was really contemplating to buy this bag, and I had to like think for days before buying this bag because मैंने ऐसा कभी कुछ use नहीं किया है, and I didn't know if I was gonna be able to carry it well. But then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. I'll never know if I'm going to be able to carry it unless I try it. So I got it and I'm so happy with the purchase. It's such a beautiful color, and plus it's like a transparent bag if you can't already tell. And I think they had a few color options in this. They had a neon color, they had a black color, they had a red, I think, and they had this one. I went for this particular bag. I'm not really sure if they still have this piece available with them. But of course you can get in touch with the store. I'm gonna mention their Instagram handle in the description box. Yeah, it also actually comes with a longer string, तो आप इस वाले strap को detach करके आप ये भी लगा सकते हो if you want, you know, अगर आपको एक sling की तरह ऐसे carry करना है तो आप वो भी carry कर सकते हो. Otherwise you can hold this in your hand like this. It's not a shoulder bag, so it's not supposed to fit onto your shoulders. It's like a handbag, and like I said, ये string के साथ आप इसको एक sling bag की तरह भी use कर सकते हो. So I feel like this is such a statement piece, and I feel like you know, just wear simple clothes and carry this bag, and it's just gonna make you stand out. I guess that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the haul. Of course, I know we are under a lockdown currently and most of y'all might not be shopping, but you can still shop from all of these Instagram stores because they're still delivering, and you can shop all these bags for your future use. And yeah, I guess that's it for today's video, and I'm gonna see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.